These are the Costco steaks that I got yesterday. If you want to know what kind, I even ripped off the sticker. Look for this. USDA prime beef, $16.99 a pound. One of the best deals ever. I'm gonna cook this along with some broccolini. I just bought this at the grocery store. I'm gonna toss that in a garlic olive oil and then roast those. I'm also gonna be making some guacamole. Got some chips, the Juanitas. I just rinsed off the cilantro for the beer. Aslan Brewing. This is kind of a fun can. Jet Ski Referee. This is an IPA, and then they've got this Earth to Beer Amber Ale. So I'm gonna make some guacamole first, just so that people can snack on that. And then I will salt and pepper the steaks, get the broccolini ready, and then cook dinner.
Is this new?
No, it's not new, but it's very important to drain your cilantro. Make sure that you remove all the moisture. I think this is XOXO brand. Thank you, you're doing a good job. That's good. Some salt too.
Yeah. Yeah. So now I need comfort in table.
Go ahead and smash this. Keep smashing it. There you go. And then grind it. There you go.
I'm going to save some of this for Leah. So it's healthy. That's amazing.
It's not the same if you already had it.
My normal recipe though.
Why? What'd you do? Why do you mean no more? There's a ton.
It's more authentic.
Daddy did it.
Alright, so for the steaks, super simple. Salt and pepper. Before I do that, I will pat dry it with these paper towels. And then the cooking will be done on this cast iron, which is on the Breville Control Freak. Sear both sides really well. So I'm gonna go over here to my charbroil grill and just finish them off in here because they are super thick. That's kind of mimicking what I do on the stove, except outside so that there's no smell, and it gets so smoky. When you cook any steaks, there's a lot of smoke involved, typically. I'm just trying to avoid all that being inside. I'm going to pat dry these so they're super dry. You know, one thing you can do, I've seen this, actually my man Kai Senpai, he's an amazing chef. Actually got to meet him last summer in Seattle. He salts his, I believe, the night before, and then it creates this kind of unusual looking crust on the outside. So I might try that one of these days, but for right now, I am just going to pat dry these. But if I want to get the exterior super dry, throw them inside your fridge, and the exterior would get even more dry because the fridge actually will remove moisture. Then I'm also going to be doing salt and pepper. I have had so many steaks with all these different flavors, and I find that even though I like different flavors on my steaks, if you got a steak like this, you really don't need that much. Salt and pepper. Pat it in there. Real good. There we go. Nice and hot. The first thing I'm doing is rendering the fat on the side of the steak. I'm not even going to put any oil on here. There we go. Just let that sit. I'm going to use the fat from the actual steak as the oil that I'm going to sear on, because there's plenty of fat on there. So at this point, there's plenty of fat in there. Now, because this is induction, I can't really lift it up too much, but what I'm going to do, I'm just spread around like this, and just lay it down. There you go, and press it flat. This is why you want it nice and dry when you're cooking this, so that it comes perfectly in contact with the pan. There we go. So I'm gonna cook these for about 3 minutes on each side, 2 minutes first on each side, and then flip it over 1 minute on each side. Timer just went off. One thing I'm gonna do is lift it up and let that fat kind of run over that surface again. Woohoo! That is a good sear right there. Same thing on this side. There we go. Now it's not quite there yet, so this is why I'm gonna do 2 minutes on that side, and then 1 more minute on each side afterwards. There we go. That's what you're looking for. Same thing. Get all that fat on there. Oh yeah. Then I'll put it inside the grill after this. So it's seared plenty. Sometimes what I do is I'll sear just this side for a hot second. Maybe I will this time. Okay, at this point, this is probably one of the steps that I had to learn the hard way many times that you don't want to skip. You gotta turn this off. There we go. You need to use a thermometer. There's just no way around it. If you want medium rare, like 120. So obviously that is way low, but that's okay because I'm gonna put it inside of the grill. I'm gonna test. I'm just making sure it's not overcooked. See, still 110. Same thing. This one, I'll tell you that. Tell you what. This one's gonna be even less. See, look at that. 84 degrees. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these into the grill, which is super hot. Let it cook for probably like 3 minutes max. Oh, that's hot. That's nice and hot. Right on the top rack. I'm gonna check in about 2 minutes though. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to flip it, but also temp it at the same time. I have a feeling it's going to maybe be done. This one's actually done right here. Take this one off, put it to the side. I'm gonna check this one again though. Oh yeah, still not quite done. Let that one cook for a little bit longer. Alright, so the steaks have been resting for quite a while now. Plenty of time. That's very important with steaks. Get them both on there. Nice sharp knife. Thank you, Matt, for the beautiful knife. These have been resting for a good 10 minutes now. Let's just look. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. Nice and well done pieces for the ones that want that. A little bit of that clarified butter right on top. There we go. Oh, baby. Definitely extra, but no one's ever complained. This. Look how juicy that is. Same thing with this one.
And like, sometimes I don't really like my cheese, so I get
Anyway, I'm gonna bring it over there, girls.
This is for baby sisters.
Is this for both of them?
Oh, I guess so, yeah.
Which piece is a good piece, Daddy?
Okay, thank you,
Oh, wait, clear a spot in the middle, girls. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yes, baby. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, nice and crisp.
There you go. You want those crispies on the edges.
I like the crispies.
Are you gonna put Parmesan on it?
No, oh, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. What's nice about broccolini is while it's hot, sprinkle on all that Parmesan. Yeah. You've got a good flaky salt. Is it good? No. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.